Sometimes some crimes go slipping through the cracks. These two gumshoes. I don't even know where I'm going with this. Tom Selleck and Harrison Ford. Their iconic looks in Miami Vice and Indiana Jones. Some Chipmunks. We're going to play it on the NES. It was one of my favorites as a kid, but I've got some hand issues going on related to my cancers, so I need to use Game Genie. Don't judge. Oh, this music. It'll never get old. Okay, it's old. Zipper! Jeez. I'm the champ. Nice! Jerk! Oh, I feel like a champ for some reason. This makes no sense. Even less sense than crime-fighting chipmunks. Now go get 'em, Rescue Rangers! What kind of message is this for children? Murder! Until the next episode. Gadget's pretty smart. Right, game? Right. Oh, they all said it at the same time, and some crime goes slipping through the crack, but these two gumshoes, they're picking up the slack. There's no case too big, no case too small. When you need help, just call Chip-Chip-Chip-Chip-Dale. Chip-and-Dale with the day job. Yeah. And the game is now frozen. Well, wasn't that an adventure? It was a hard game as soon as you got past the rocket part. It got not hard, just cheap against the player, which is the worst kind of hard. Because it takes more than skill. It takes luck, and should never be about luck in a video game, especially one that's aimed at kids. But either way, I enjoyed it. It brought back a lot of memories. I do remember owning it and playing the shit out of it when I was a kid, and even beating it when I was a child, which, you know, those games were few and far between. It's not like now where I beat every single game that I play. Anyways, next week, something new, but probably something old.